Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy for growing your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I will quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then after that I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so first of all, we are going to click on this F icon. Now the first indicator we have here is the moving average, right? For you to add the moving average, you have to click on this plus icon here, on the main window plus icon. Then you search for your moving average, right? So these are the properties. The period is 35, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to is close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame, the style you make it color black, 2 pixel, you click on done, right? Now the next indicator we have here is the MACD, right? So you have to click on this main window plus icon again, you search for your MACD. Now for the properties, the period, the fast EMA is 12, right? The slow EMA is 26, the MACD SMA is 9, apply to is close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. Under the style, you make the main the color of your background, you make it white, the signal also color white, 1 pixel for the both of them, then you click on done. Now the next indicator we have here is the envelopes. Right now you have to click on the indicator window 1. All right, so whenever you have added this MACD, the indicator window 1 will be formed. All right, so you click on this second plus icon in order to add your envelope, right? So you search for your envelope. Now these are the properties for the envelope. The period is 5, the shift is 0, and deviation is 0.00. Method is linear weighted, applied to its first indicator's data. The level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. Now under the style, you make the upper band color green, the lower band is color red, 3 pixels for the both of them, then you click on done. Alright, so that's it for the envelope. Now the next indicator we have here is the alligator, right? So you click on this plus icon again, you search for your alligator. Now for this one, you are going to take a screenshot because I don't want to be pronouncing everything here, right? So you just take a screenshot of everything you are seeing here, and then you set it up the same as it is, right? And as you can see here, under the style, the jazz is color of your background, 1 pixel, the teeth is color black, 3 pixel, the lips is color green, 3 pixel, then you click on done. Now the last indicator we have here is the relative strength index, right? Now in order to add the relative strength index, you click on the indicator window 1 plus icon, then you search for your relative strength index, right? So these are the properties for the relative strength index. The period is 1, apply to is close, the level you make it 5, 95, 80, 20, the star is color red, 4 pixel, you click on done. Time frame is all time frame. Under the style, you make it the color of your background, 1 pixel, you click on done. So once you have set everything correctly, as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. All right, now before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, so long as you can open a position with this strategy, you'll be able to grow your small account. You'll be able to grow your small account with the strategy I'm talking about. Okay, so this is a VIP strategy strictly designed for trading boom and crash. All right, so if you have been blowing your account, this strategy will help you grow your account. All right, so if you are interested in getting this strategy, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that's that about that. All right, now how does this strategy work? All right, I'm going to be fast with this because I don't want this video to be too long. I'm in a distracting area now and I'm being distracted with a lot of things, so I just want to make the video as quick as possible and get it over with. Okay, so now the first thing you have to do is to wait for a spike to occur in the market, right? So once there's a spike, you check your indicator window here. You want to see this red line here get to the overbought level, right? So once it's at the overbought level, you want to wait for this red line here to cross below this green and black line. All right, the red line needs to cross below the two of the lines before you think of taking any entry. All right, so now once it crosses below this line, you are going to also observe that price has also crossed below the black line here on the main chart. All right, so once you see that it has successfully crossed below all this line here, which is serving as support in the market, then you are good to go. Right, so immediately you see it's crossing below, you have to go in for 5 candles. Right, so now this is what you have to do. You see here on the main chart, you are going to wait for that particular candlestick that crosses below the black line here to close. Right, so immediately it closes, the next one that will be forming is the one you have to take your entry from, and then you count to 5 candles. You count up to 5 candles. Once you get the 5 candles successfully, you are to exit the market and you wait for the next opportunity to present itself, right? And which is your red line here, getting to the overbought level, our line here, right? This zone here, this 2 line here is your overbought level. So once price get into it or touches the line, then you are good to go. The strategy is okay. Then now you wait for the red to cross below the green and the black line. Also, it needs to cross below the black line here on the main chart, right? So once you see this condition being met, you have to go in for 5 candles. Like I earlier explained, you go in for 5 candles, then you exit the market. All right, so that is how simple the strategy is. That's how it works. Okay, so before you apply all this, like I always say, you need to go to the higher time frame, possibly the 30 or the 50-minute time frame. Right, so that's where you have to do your analysis, right? So you want to apply the same method of this strategy on the 30-minute time frame, right? You want to wait for the red line here to cross below the green and the black line here on the indicator window, and also on the main chart you want to see price. You want to see that price has crosses below your black line here. All right, you can see this break, price broke below it, retest, and it start going down. Right, so once you see that price is below this here on the 30-minute time frame, then you are good to go. You go back to your 1-minute time frame and then you start applying the strategy. You start applying the conditions of the strategy. All right, so you wait for it to cross below the green and black on the 1-minute time frame. All right, you want to wait for same thing to happen on the main chart. You want to make sure that price is below your black line. All right, so now let me tell you something. The condition here will be met first before it happen on the main chart. The red line is going to cross below the green and the black before it crosses on the main chart. All right, so you need to take note of that. So once you see this happening on the main chart, you wait patiently for the so once you see this happening on the indicator window, you want to wait patiently for it to happen on the main chart. Then you take advantage of it. You go in for your 5 candles, you milk the market, and then you run from it. Okay, so I want you guys to backtest the strategy. Don't just take my words for it. Backtest it, or you demo trade it for like a week or 2. You see that it's working for you before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so that is it for today's video. All right, I want to be ending the video now. Right, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. For those of you who have not yet joined the Telegram channel, my free Signal Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. There in the channel, I share free signals on daily basis. All right, free signals and trading tips that will help you grow as a beginner. Okay, so that's it, guys. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you out.